The USCC Compost 2024 event in Daytona Beach, Florida was a huge success. Rotochopper once again was honored to be a diamond sponsor of the event. Rotochopper sales reps from across the U.S. and Canada were on hand along with many Rotochopper customers, as we got the opportunity to showcase 3 exciting Rotochopper machines for the event. Making its debut at the event was the MT206 trommel screen, a mid-sized trommel screen featuring a full panel that opens for easy access to the drum for maintenance and removal. The new B66L2, our largest horizontal grinder, was also showcased, boasting a 1200 horsepower engine, single pivot power feed, and Weld-on mount rotor. Then, finally, we had our 95DK shredder on display, with its high torque, low-speed twin-shaft rotors. We had a great experience spending the day showcasing our Rotochopper equipment for the leaders in the industry, and we'd like to thank all of you that attended the USCC Compost 2024 event. For more information about the Rotochopper machines we demoed at the event, or any of our other equipment, you can reach out to our Rotochopper sales team and learn more. We're already looking forward to seeing everyone at Compost 2025 in Phoenix, Arizona.